So today in this video we shall learn how to find the GCF of 6, 12 and 18. So first of all we should know what the GCF stands for. So GCF stands for greatest common factor. And today in this video we shall learn to find the GCF of 6, 12 and 18 by two methods. First one by factorization method and second one by division method. So first of all we shall learn to find GCF of 6, 12 and 18 by factorization method. So while finding GCF by factorization method, you have to take the prime factors of all the given numbers. So here numbers are 6, 12 and 18. Means we have to take the prime factors of 6, 12 and 18 separately. So first of all we find the prime factors of 6. That is factorization of 6 is equal to, we can know it is 2 times 3 means 6. As you know 3 times 1 means 3. Like as our another number is 12. Means we have to again take the prime factors of 12. So it is 2 times 6 means 12. 2 times 3 means 6. Like as 3 times 1 means 3. At last we have 18. So it is 2 times 9 means 18. 3 times 3 means 9 and 3 times 1 means 3. So we have taken the prime factors of 6, 12 and 18. Now you have to write the factorizing of the prime factors of all the given numbers. Therefore we can write 6 is equal to 2 multiple 3. Like as we can write 12 is equal to 2 multiple 3 from here. Like as we can write 18 is equal to 2 multiple 3. So we have written the factorizing elements of the prime factors of all the given numbers. As you know, we are finding here GCF. So you must know while finding GCF is the product of all the common elements. So here we have to find the common elements. So we can write common elements. So what are the common elements in these all three prime factors? So first of all here 2 is the common element which is present in all three numbers. Now is there another number common? Yes, it is 3, 3 and 3. So it is 3 is the common element. So now there is no common element in all these three numbers. So have common elements are 2 multiple 3. So as you know GCF is the product of all the common elements. So have common elements are 2 and 3. Means we have to find out the product of 2 and 3. Therefore GCF is equal to product of 2 and 3. So 2 and 3 is 6. Therefore the GCF of 6, 12 and 18 is 6. So in this way we can find the GCF by factorization method. And our second method is by division method. So now we find GCF by division method. So while finding GCF by division method, you have to divide the greater number with the lower number. So here numbers are 6, 12 and 18. So first of all we take any two numbers. So suppose we take 6 and 12. So 12 is the greater number and 6 is the lower. So here 12 is the greater number and 6 is the lower number. And while finding GCF, you have to divide the greater number with the lower number. So 12 is the greater number and 6 is the lower number. Which means you have to divide 12 with 6. So it is 6 times 2 means 12. 0, 0. So while finding GCF, you have to remember is you have to keep dividing the divisor with remainder until there is no remainder at last. So look here, 6 times 2 means 12, means there is no remainder at last. So 6 takes no remainder at last, then it becomes the GCF. But if there is GCF of 6 and 12 only, then the GCF would be 6 by division method. But here we are finding GCF of 3 numbers, that is 6, 12 and 18, and our another number is 18, means we have to again divide this 6 with 18. So 6 divides 18, it is 6 times 3 means 18. So it again take no remainder at last. So it becomes the GCF. So therefore we can write GCF is equal to 6 by division method also. So as you look here, in division method GCF is 6, like as in factorization method GCF is 6. So easily we can say that so GCF of 6, 12 and 18 is 6. So 6 is the greater number of the highest number which can exactly divide 6, 12 and 18. GCF means that. So in this way we can find a GCF by factorization as well as by division method. So that's much for today, and if you have any question, suppose the question may be from your school homework, from your book, from your tuition homework, or any doubt or question regarding science and math, then just comment your question in a comment below and we shall provide a video solution of your question. So thank you.